vlogging. I'll try showing you what fashionista does while living in Toronto. What does my daily life look like? So stay tuned. Here's the fit. Let's go meet my friends. I'm not used to vlogging, so I probably will forget to record the whole time, but hey, someone's coming. I don't really want to edit anything or be not authentic, so if the vlog is hella chaotic, that's how it is, guys. Downtown, bitches. Bro, this city is hella fucking loud to film vlogs. But anyway, I'm waiting for my friend because she gifted me a certificate to a bookshop and I want to pick up a book with her. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye. I got a book. We picked our next coffee spot. Oh, it actually looks so cute. Smoke break. Oh my god! Huh? Vlogging day one. Okay guys, that's it. Likes, comments, I'm quitting. It's day 2 of vlogging. I was going through my books because I got the new one. If you didn't know, I'm geeked out on Japanese fiction. And I got into reading last 3 years maybe. I hated reading when I was younger, but I feel like it's because I didn't find my genre that I loved. But anyway, I'm editing a vlog right now from yesterday and I'm so excited to post because it's so fun to capture your life like that. I feel like it's gonna make me be productive and do more interesting things, which is hella cool. I'm going to cinema with my mom tonight. We're gonna see Devil's Wear Prada too. So yeah, I'll probably film when we're going to the cinema with my mom. Let's do like a transition. No, I'm kidding, I'm joking guys. I'm too millennial for this shit. Anyway, that's the fits for 60. And we're going to Devil's Wear Prada. Okay, outfit. Are you excited for the movie? What are your expectations?
A little fashion.
You want to see fashion? We'll see. I think it's gonna be Zara style. My mom just made fun of me because I'm wearing Uggs. I was like, okay, Gucci, and she's like, Uggs. She was literally Miranda vibes, like, Uggs. Very aesthetic. What are we having here?
Your modern lifestyle. Nice. All personalized.
I'm so excited.
No matter what, you got to strut.
Well, that was definitely something. I don't even know how I feel about it. A lot of outfits were ugly, especially the blue dress she wore to the event. That was crazy. But Marc Jacobs starring Lady Gaga show was incredible. I gasped Smoky time. The sunset is so pretty. What?
I see Miranda every day in my house. You know why?
Me? I'm Miranda.
Because you have the same character like she is.
What are your thoughts?
Outfit so bad. It's not professional. I don't like it.
Yeah, outfit's ugly as hell.
But Brunella Cucinelli and all of actors, it's good. Yeah, I love
Starring was amazing. Lady Gaga, hello. Marc Jacobs. The show was so good.
Yeah.
Okay, how would you rate it out of 5?
4.
Why?
Because outfit is so bad. It's ugly.
Yeah. Did you like any of them? Any outfits?
No of them.
Should have hired me. I would style it better.
Bye.
And she left. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Nothing about this is funny. Be fucking for real. I literally did not want to dress up today because it's hella cold. It was snowing this morning. I'm literally wearing a thermal underwear. In a perfect scenario, I would wear my Isabel Marron, but I take such a good care of my shoes and there's possibility of rain. So Uggs it is. And if I don't want to dress up, I usually just put my fur coat on. My jewelry is literally the main accessory, what makes the whole fit. So even if it's 2 pieces of outfits, I can still make it look fab and chic. Let me show you. Damn, my ass looks so fat. I've been going to the gym, guys. It was the best fucking purchase ever because this thing can make any outfit, no matter how basic it is, look so chic and so dressy. A bunch of bangles too. Do you see this? Do you see this? I'm putting my bag on and that's it. Literally, look at this fit. Maybe I'm just tripping. I'm meeting my friend today and we were supposed to walk in a cute neighborhood, go see cherry blossoms, but it's literally 8 degrees. It's supposed to rain and it was snowing this morning. Love you, Toronto. So we decided to just meet at a coffee shop and then go see a movie. It's a Japanese horror film. I saw that was for Prada yesterday, but I don't mind going to the cinema literally all the time because I love the experience. It's so fun to get snacks and just watch a movie. And I usually go to see anything because I don't care. This jacket makes me feel so fancy. Recently, I've been wanting to slow down a bit of my fashions and be a little low-key. I don't know if it's my lesbian side speaking because I've been wanting to look more like masculine, especially I'm going to the gym, so my guns are like so big. It happens sometimes whenever I want to feel more gay. I like dress down, but I still look hella fashionable, you know, like there's nothing in my wardrobe that's not a statement piece, so there's no way of me looking basic or not cool, but it's a little like drippy, you know. And I used to say that in order to be super extra crazy fashionable, don't own any sweatpants in your wardrobe. That was a big rule for me, but those are like open YY, they're cool as hell, stylish. And then the other ones I own is also crazy insane. Transferring a vlog videos to the laptop right now from yesterday. But if you ever wanted a rundown about my jewelries, because I have a quite like crazy collection. It's like the biggest part of my outfits always. I stock up and it takes a big part of my styling. A lot of things I thrift because Value Village jewelries are the best. Like all of these I thrifted. I think I thrifted this ring. This is Swarovski. Those two are from AliExpress, I think, that I got a long time ago. And also this one was at some markets in Montreal. I think it was like a Christmas market or something. And then this bracelet I found today on a kitchen table. I think my mom just left it for me. I don't know where she got it from. What I like to do with my earrings, I always choose a different ones. I took this one for my ex. I honestly don't know where she got it from. And then my mom was in Spain and she also found this like flea market and she brought me so many cool ass jewelries, like this piece. And then this one my mom got me in Italy like 2 years ago. This is also Valley Village, by the way. I think the way I started accessorizing is I just sat down and realized that I need to like dedicate a lot of time into finding silver pieces. Silver is my color. Sometimes I do gold a little bit to mix it up, but I feel like silver matches me the most. I hate rose gold. Don't even like give me rose gold because that's just ugly. It doesn't look good on me. And yeah, I actually like sat down, curated the pieces I wanna have and wanna own, and I started building my collections a few years ago. But I feel like my ex was also into like accessories and chunky necklaces and shit, because before that I didn't have a lot of jewelry particularly, because I had just 2 holes and I did like so many more piercings. Like I literally have those 2 piercings that I want to find good quality silver basic jewelry, 2 of them, and just put it in so it's not just studs, but I have to be small because I just want to like put it in and like forget about it. I need to leave in like 40 minutes. The thing about me, I hate being late, so I always get ready like 2.5 hours before I need to leave. But it's better than being late, because I'm telling you, the second I'm late I get a crazy ass anxiety. And also the thing I learned, especially in a business world, is if you're on time, you're late. Because a lot of opportunities come whenever you don't expect them, and you always have to be prepared. I'm also hella type A, so as I said, such a simple ass fit, but it looks fire. I don't know. I'm reading Beloved right now. Honestly, it's such a hard read because I'm not used to American. Okay, I couldn't finish in the elevator, but what I was saying is it's such a hard read because it's about slavery, first of all, and then it's hard for me to read American literature, especially old English, because I'm used to translated Japanese novels, right? So most of the time I have to reread pages because I just don't understand. I fucking love subway aesthetic. I don't know, maybe that's because I grew up in a city where we didn't have subway, but something about it is hella aesthetic. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Wait. Nothing makes me happy. Yeah. I got the APA. That looks so amazing. Okay, whatever. Let's try the truffle fries.
It's really good. You like it?
So good.
Yeah.
But Earl's kinda not even it.
Literally.
And wasn't it cheaper than Earl's?
It was $12, I think so. Truffle fries at Earl's
15.
Like 15, yeah.
That's crazy, guys. We just had an amazing appetizers and we're planning to go to the movies. The weather is insane, so we try not to be outside as much, but I'm having an APA. What are your expectations for the movie?
I feel like it's gonna send me into an existential spiral. I'm excited.
Okay.
So, what are you?
I think I'm gonna freak the fuck out
You're gonna be scared?
and be scared.
Yeah.
I'm like probably gonna sit like this the whole movie.
Oh my gosh.
And we're sitting at the back. First time ever I'm sitting at the back.
Which is so crazy, but anyways.
I feel like a little child, but whatever. Going to the subway after that movie is so fucking trippy. I rated 4 out of 5 on my letterbox. I loved it, honestly. Let me tell you, Toronto subway is 100 times fucking scarier though. I'm not even joking. Because it's better to see something abnormal than a real fucking crazy people. But yeah, I recommend to see the movie. It was so good, so much better than those or Prada for sure. It's the type of movie you just fucking scream, go back, and they don't go back. I actually wanted to lock in tomorrow because I need to work, but it's the last time I can hang out with my mom because she's going away for 2 months. So maybe we're gonna do something fun together tomorrow and go downtown. We'll see, but I'll see you in a fresh day. Hi guys, it's Sunday and it's a spa day. We're going to a spa with my mom. We're excited because I need to relax. I'm not bringing my main phone. I'm just bringing a book, headphones, and my camera that doesn't have a SIM card on it. I'm so happy because I need a fucking vacation right now. Party car. Okay, we arrived. Not only did I not bring my phone, I also forgot my glasses. So I'm fully gonna merge into relaxation. Got the PJs. We're gonna change and go to the pool area, and then I'll be back because I can't film there, obviously. It was literally so fucking nice being in the pool and the sauna. I needed that. We were literally at the main area. There's like a little library. I'm also trying to pretend like I know what I'm doing, but I'm waiting for my mom because I don't see shit and all the seats are taken and I can't even tell what's taken and what's not because I'm blind. I'm mostly excited for salt rooms that they have. Those are really nice, and I'm excited for the food, and their tea selection is incredible. Okay, we're gonna go get tea. I'm excited about that. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I'm not hungry
really.
yet. Yeah,
Not really,
just want to
but-
see.
Yeah, but just have a tea.
Your rice looks amazing. This was 10 out of 10. I feel so melted and so relaxed. I also want to find a place and like read my book and listen to music for like an hour, maybe 2. Cheers guys for relaxation. Don't forget to relax. I started talking but I didn't press record. So professional of me. We came to the restaurant again and I'm getting ice cream. I'm treating myself today. And we're getting tea again. Bro, that's insane. It was the fact that I don't eat sugar like that. I just thought it's gonna be like 1 scoop. That's a 2 huge things. Black sesame is amazing. What about matcha? Green tea. That's my thing. What did you say it was?
Taylor Swift?
Taylor Swift. Her.
I love her. My favorite.
We're having a lemon water. That's my favorite part of the spa. So good, guys. They also have candies and apples. Oh, that's nice. I don't eat that. Maybe I'll do like a grape one. Okay, whatever. We also went to Asian market and bought a bunch of things. As we always do, we cannot just go out and not buy things. We just love spending money.
Like always.